Yup, it's me again, guys. We got another quick video here. I'm gonna show you how to remove this frozen, rusty, stuck cotter pin from the outer tie rod or a ball joint. It's always good to invest in the right tools when it comes to this type of job, especially long needle nose with a flat head, so you can smush the cotter pin and rebend it. And sometimes it's not gonna work that way. It's always good to soak the cotter pin with some penetrating oil to break up the rust out of there. Sometimes if you don't use no penetrating oil, it will just be harder for you to remove it. And not just that, the last step, like I said, flat head to rebend it and penetrating oil, and then you're trying to use some good grip pliers, so you can just put some force on it and yank it out and pull it out. If you're still having a problem doing that, it's always good to have a plan B, just like this, guys. Check it out. Alright guys, when you see this cotter pin right here stuck, what you gotta do now is, since you're gonna replace your ball joint, the cotter pin will take you a little longer to get it off. You can just like put that socket in there, go like this. Use this right here. Guess what? Guess what? We got it off. Because you're gonna replace the ball joint anyway, so why? You don't have to struggle to get that off. Yep, just like that, guys. And then we have to take this off right here.